Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush, and in our today's video we will have a short discussion about cloud platform. Nowadays there are many companies, they are providing the cloud platform. So we have Amazon, which is providing the AWS, Amazon Web Services. Second one is our Google, which is providing GCP, Google Cloud Platform. There are many other companies also, and they are providing the cloud platform. Now what is the importance of cloud platform? Let's say we have a physical machine, and in that physical machine we have 4 GB of RAM, which is allocated to that particular server, and out of 8 GB we are using only 5 GB of RAM. Still we have a 3 GB of RAM which is not consumed by anyone, which is a waste of money for that, because we have already paid for 8 GB of RAM. Now this is a problem with our physical server. When we talk about Google Cloud Platform, it is like we are renting the resources from the companies who are providing this Google Cloud Platform, or maybe any cloud platform. Now if I want 2 GB of RAM, I will ask Google, hey, I need 2 GB of RAM, can you please allocate it to my system? They will allocate it to you. If you are asking for 100 GB of hard disk, they will allocate it to you very soon. It will not take time also. Now what is happening here, whatever the resources which you require, for that only they will pay. Now if you have 100 GB of hard disk and you are consuming only 100 GB, because of that only you ask for 100 GB. Now they will charge for only 100 GB. This is the one good thing which I have observed in cloud platform. They are also doing the business, and we are also doing our own business, but we are getting charged only the resources for which we are consuming. Now the next thing is, as in Oracle DBA or Hadoop developer or Hadoop admin part, if you want any kind of the cluster, we can get it easily. And if you want to do some kind of practice on free basis, definitely you can do it. If you go to the Google console, Google Cloud Platform, there they are providing $300 for 1 year. In that $300 you can do a lot of practice, there is no issue, and they will charge you after the 12 months, or if you are finishing, or if you are consuming that $300 before that, they will not charge anything. So this is the call which needs to take care of you. Now if you are using the resources, then only they are charging to you. This is one good advantage for us. Now if you want any software like Red Hat Linux 6 or any server, Ubuntu server, you just need to create the instance in Google Cloud, create the instance, allocate the resources what you need. Resources means maybe it's RAM or hard disk, whatever you need, you just need to allocate over there. I suggest you to take minimum kind of resources so that they will not charge you more. Again, you have a $300 in your pocket, and it is on free of cost. So while signing up, you just need to provide your credit details so that they can charge you after $300 or after 12 months. Once your work is done, you just need to delete the instance, and whenever you want to work to be done or to be started, you can again create the instance, because it is just 2 minutes of work. So this is how the Google Cloud Platform or any other services are also running. I hope this is quite clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Bye bye.